Hello and wishing you all most and more. Efficient, reliable and sustainable technology has always been our promise to customer. From winning our first order to delivering over 400 plants, from a small fabrication unit to 2 state-of-art manufacturing plants, our growth is a result of fulfilling our promise to customer each and every time. Now, the time has come to uplift our promise. We are committed to build sustainable and profitable solutions with game-changing innovation. To reflect our aspirations, our promise to customer and core business values, we have launched new brand identity. Have a look.
Our new brand identity reflects our passion for technology and high performance. It reflects our commitment to build trust and deliver value to customers. It reflects our aspiration to become a global brand driven by innovation. It reflects our promise of partnering in customer success. This is yet another milestone in our journey from being a good to great company. Shachi is moving forward and you can always expect passion-powered performance.